Hey there, Waylon Corco, your friendly mortgage loan officer. Just wanted to record a video for you today to talk about the subject of closing costs and down payments and how they differ. So, essentially, the first thing I want to talk about is closing costs. This isn't going to be the same for every loan program, but I want to kind of give you a generic overview on it. The first thing that you might see for your closing costs would be any title fees, any closing fees with that title company. You might see an appraisal on there. You might see a cost for a credit report, underwriting and processing, maybe a survey if it's required in your area. Origination or discount points is something else you might see on there. Homeowners insurance would also be included in the closing costs. And then setting up an escrow account. So if you do decide to have an escrow account, what that basically means is it's a fancy word for savings. It's going to put some money into an escrow account for you. So that way, every year when your homeowner's insurance is due, you have enough money in there for that. Really, it's kind of all inclusive of that. There's maybe a few other things in your area that you might see as well, but you kind of get the gist of it. The other part of it is going to be your down payment. So every loan program is a little bit different. Some offer 100% financing. So in that case, you'd have no down payment. In other cases, you might put down 3%, on up to 20% because maybe you want to avoid mortgage insurance. You can see all ranges on that. Really what you really will see is down payment plus closing costs will end up being your cash to close. Okay. So it's usually a combination of both. So if those closing costs end up being, a few $1,000s, you would include that on top of, whatever percentage you're putting down. So you might see that, but every loan program is a little bit different. Every individual is going to be a little bit different. There's ways to kind of, work it into the interest rate and do some different things there too. So what I would recommend doing is talking to your mortgage professional. They'd be able to help you out with that. If you ever like a second opinion, of course, I'd be happy to help you with that. So feel free to call or text me at 605-360-6966. Thanks and have a great day.